So this is accomplished by my Simplex JCD. Simplex, in a way, there's no button. Actually, it feels like a clip, but you could also use it like there is a button. So this is how I set it up. So when my shoulder goes down and this one goes up, this is a little bit exposed, the rim, and that is enough for the load. Goes down, and my hand is here. All I do is to take it out, and I can come down and have it. Let me show you one more time. So up to speed is just that. It feels very natural, but you do need to practice with this because you can't just take it out. You're not going to shake it out like this. You have to know how to use it. So your hand, place it here. You don't have to push. You don't have to push. You just place it here, tilt it up a little bit and fix the position. And the other hand, this part between the first and second joint, this part is going to push up and hook up. But you didn't see that, right? Because I didn't do it that way. I didn't go up and take it out in those actions. I just do it in one move. When you place your hand here, this is a little bit tilted, so you could exert a vertical upward force motion. So a force like this, not like parallel to this holder. You just take it out. This force, combining the two, then you can come down. Then that is it. Let me show you how you can get my gimmick. There are 3 seconds to 5 seconds here. If you are leaving, you are leaving a free gimmick. Okay, so you print this one out. It prints like this, and you're going to clip this on your waist or on your back pocket, and then you lock it in so you won't take it out easily. The other thing you need to do is to before you use it, you will grind this part. You will grind, and you will grind until you can fit your own personal jumbo coin in your own holder. And the other thing you need to do is to sacrifice a cloth for your glasses and to stick it here with super glue to reduce the noise issue. Of course, you're not going to clink, then I can't help you with that. So, the other thing, the most important thing is the foam. This part is made for the foam insert. So you cut it out. You see, I cut it out already, and then I insert this to here, guide it in with a pencil or a pen. Make sure it doesn't break, and make sure it is not squeezed when you insert this, so you will distribute it across the whole platform. And then I have a lot of things to do. So the first time you insert the coin into it, it will not be like this. It will be like this, because it is going to be stuck a little bit, okay? And you should wait for 2 to 3 hours for it to warm up or cool down, whatever you call it, to let it become loose, so that you can take it out with ease. So the force you are going to exert is a vertical one. You place your palm here and you exert a force like this. It will come out automatically, and then you could just drop your hand to finish the load. If you like this, check out my other videos and subscribe, like and share, and let everybody know there is no such thing as a JCD.